When user from United States complete this CPA offers using Apple iOS device through your CPA link, then CPAGrip may create your account with the payout zone for this offer. You can get good results from CPAGrip network. CPAGrip is based and popular CPA network. CPAGrip have loads of CPA offers to choose from. You can choose any of these CPA offers to promote. In this video, I'm going to share with you a step by step how you can use CPAGrip network. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPAGrip platform. You can click on sign up now button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can type here your email address, password. You can read and accept its terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my result. You can simply click on my offers button. You can select your United States country. Here you can see CPA offers to choose from. I'm going to promote this CPA offer. Click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see payout rate. Here you can see accepted country. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in United States. Here you can see CPA link. This is a mobile install CPA offer. When people from United States click on this CPA link using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete this CPA offer, then CPAGrip may create your account with a payout zone for this offer. You can simply click here to copy the CPA link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can use shortener website to shorten this CPA link. You can visit on tiny URL platform. You can paste your CPA link. Now you can click on shorten link button. Here is showing shorten URL of the CPA link. You can click here to copy this shorten URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on globalfreeclassifierAds.com. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. Here you can see this platform have lots of categories. You can choose categories according to your CPA offers. Here you can see popular countries. You can choose country according to your CPA offer. Guys, you can create account on this platform and then you can click on add button. Now you can choose your category. You can choose your subcategory. It will then take you to this page. You can select your duration. You can type your ad title. You can type your ad description. You can fill all of this information. You can paste here your website URL and then you can click on next step button. I'm going to fill all of this information. Type your title. You can type this kind of title and this kind of description. Now you can add your CPA link. You can type your read more. Now you can paste your certain URL of CPA link. You can visit on tiny URL platform. Here is showing certain URL. Click here to copy this certain URL. Now you can visit on this platform. You can paste your certain URL. You can scroll down. If you want, you can type your price. Now you can select your country. You can select United States country. You can select your state. You can select your city. Guys, you can see this CPA offer is accepted in United States country. You can choose your United States. Now you can scroll down. You can paste your certain URL. You can click on next step button. Now you can upload your image. This image will help you to get more engagement. Now you can scroll down. You can click on continue button. You can click on publishing button. Yeah, here we go. You can see your listing has been received successfully. You can click here to view your advertisement. Here you can see title, here you can see image, and here you can see description. Here you can see visit website button. When people from United States click on this button using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGrip may create your account with the payouts on for this offer. Guys, you can also insert this CPA link on your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. You can create landing page and then you can insert the CPA link on your landing page. When people from United States click on the CPA link using Apple iOS device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPAGrip may create your account with the payouts on for this offer. Guys, using this method, you can generate good results. Results may vary. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.